The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. No holds barred. Yadadi 22.
I hope Sals will not clap for me, so $1.20. 120. Because now they do like so now $1 different. The only person happy in this country right now is Tinubu. That man is the happiest man. Tinubu make me believe the true meaning of he who laugh last, laugh best. Before election, now we they laugh. Bala Blue, a town hall, different. Sure, I don't see the different. Tinubu said, "I will hit the ground running." He hit ground, now we they run. We never see anything. He don't have though. If you say that clear, he money they play sporty bet. My one king for Bayelsa, he used community money go carry shares in straight win. As I talk to you, the community don't banish the king. Say you go nowhere. Country is hard. Others of una when they shout summer, una know how much be flight? Who be that big brother guy where say I can't fly business class? Who don't talk that for? First of all, I beg, I know my $1 be 2,000. Make a bank podcast for this country. If you support, say hi. And madness they go on there. Hey, the only man we escape this Tinubu matter. Now my papa, he died last year. That man is so lucky. May he so rest in peace. Tinubu enter May 29. My partner fi be 7 days. He died June 6th. He just look at him. As Tinubu just shout, subsidy is gone. And my papa say, oh, I'm gone. You know that we be 13 children. WhatsApp, we create WhatsApp, donate money. The full money when we take do burial. Now whiskey song spray for a mama burial. But the only good thing I'm happy is that I buried my father 13th of October. Whiskey. Zaza. See men. See all this time when people tell it, wow, we don't make and shack and get crowd. All these plenty people for one man. Joey Zaza, if you see this crowd down for your mind, you say if you win local government election. Not try more. Not let all these people deceive you. Now they go tell you we are behind you. We are behind you. Now so they tell Peter Abio. Now supporters club he there for every coast. I hear say they want to make a president of Nigerian supporters club now. See now, normally they give me 5 minutes, but only they are greeting. Oh, I not count this one during my time. Oh. Men, see, all these ones, dollar not be their problem. Pretty Mike, you there? Now, wow, the economy hard, oh. You don't dress normal. Pretty Mike, you show. You can't even sit down for back of Oyibo. Now asylum is defined like this. Now go embassy with native doctor. They go what hey, let these people sit down now. Pretty Mike. Finally you became normal. What God cannot do does not exist. This country hard. Forget. If Pretty Mike feel normal, the country hard. Country hard like portable seventh wife. I don't even know what I talk. Computer. Clinton. Happy married life. I won't make you wizard and sit down first. So, I was talking about my dead father. Abi? Shena that day. So I said I buried my father on the 13th of October 2023. Whiskey buried his mother on the 13th of October 2023. That means on that day, a man and a woman went to heaven. And my papa liked Yoruba women. So as I'm talking to you now, right now, me and Whiskey will be spiritual stepbrothers. I don't know anymore. I don't know where. I don't know anymore. Vintage. The ticket enter. Arsenal win. All the billionaires, they play sporty bet. See, make I tell you that the truth. You see all these things where they church protest, country hard. If you now want revolution now, the federal government just announce it from today we ban sporty bet and bet Nigeria. I swear. Even some politicians go protest. Country hard. Now Lagos not empty now. Guess not the Lagos again now. That time when flight be 25,000. Ugelege go just gather 30,000 book flight for worry. As he land Lagos, he go come write for WhatsApp. Lagos, your girl is in town. If not the only way they from Owerri, they go Abuja, you go come write Abuja be nice. Now God is good and now God afraid that they enter now. They know they post anything for WhatsApp again. When they land for Aja, they will write thank God for Johnny Messes. Now these big men, the wizards are there. Now them, now the economy. You know, say that time when flight be 30,000. Joe, if you just dey Lagos, you go just call, hello Chineye. Say, where are you? Say on nature. Say, take the next flight to Abuja now. True, 30,000. The girl go just. Now when flight Asaba to Lagos 175 only to go. You just hear, hello Chineye. Where are you? Say I'm in Anambra. Anytime you're in Lagos, let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. That's my time. I greet you all.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. No holds barred. Yadadi 22.